Hello guys, SoftTony here, and in today's tutorial I'll show you how to create a powerful breaking news opener here in After Effects. Clean, dynamic and perfect for broadcast style projects, no plugins needed. So hit the like, subscribe and let's get started! Alright guys, here we are in After Effects, and as always let's first create new composition. Hit here or on this little icon, and for this first one this is gonna be final 1920 by 1080 30 fps, and for the duration I will do 20 seconds long because this is gonna be final one. Hit OK. Now let's create another one. Hit again on this little icon, and this is gonna be part 1, and for the duration instead of 20 seconds I will do 5 seconds. Hit OK. And as you can see, I have already imported the Earth map here inside the project window. We will use it later. Okay, now let's open up this part 01 composition. Do not open this final one, you can close it for now. Okay, go right click to create new solid layer, and this is gonna be BG for background, also full HD. Hit OK. Now let's head over to effects and presets, type ramp effect, drag and drop or double click on our background solid layer like so, and for the start of the ramp I will go upper left corner, and also end of the ramp lower right corner like so, and for the start of the color let's change to red color, this one. Hit OK. And for this end color I will do maybe dark red color, this one, and I'll just hit OK. And of course you can play around with your own colors, but for this tutorial purposes I will do it reddish. Hit OK, and for the next step let's import this map here inside part 01 composition, drag and drop, and import it above this background solid layer. Okay, now let's go again here inside the effects and presets, and for the first effect I will use it CC sphere effect. And one thing I have forgotten to say, that the link for this Earth map is down below in the description. You can download this one for free. Okay, drag and drop this CC sphere effect on top of our Earth map like so, and for the radius I will type 1000. And now as you can see we have this bigger sphere here inside this part 01 composition. And also for the next step let's go back here inside the effects and presets, type exposure effect, this one color correction, drag and drop onto our Earth map, and for the exposure instead of 0 I will type 8, and now we have better visibility of our Earth. Alright guys, now we're gonna reposition this Earth map. Hit P for position, and for this Y parameter I'll go to around 1400, maybe something like this, and this looks good to me. You can always be creative and adjust the Earth to the position that you want here inside this part 01 composition. And now we will animate, open up CC sphere, and then set up our playhead to around 0 seconds. And for this Y rotation I'll type here -100 because here I want to see Asia first, and set up the first keyframe for the Y rotation. Now let's go to around 5 seconds, and let's go to around maybe 80 or so, just to see USA in our final keyframe. Now when we hit 0, as you can see, this is gonna be our cool looking base animation of our Earth. Alright guys, now I will import our next effect. Go here inside the effects and presets again, and I'm gonna type Triton effect, drag and drop onto our Earth map. Okay, and here inside the Triton effect I'm gonna change this one to also red color. Of course you can play around with your own colors. Hit OK. You can also play around here with the shadows, highlights, everything is basically up to you. Okay, for the next effect go back here inside the effects and presets, type glow effect, drag and drop, and here inside this glow effect for the threshold I will type maybe 50%, and for the radius let's go to around 150. And also for the intensity I'll just lower down slightly to around 0.5, and this looks good to me. Okay guys, this was our first step, and also for the next one let's go right click and find here solid layer again, and this is gonna be grid, also full HD. Hit OK, and select this grid solid layer. Go back here inside the effects and presets, and I will type grid effect, this one. Inside the generate category, drag and drop onto our grid solid layer. Let's change this option size from corner point to width and height sliders, and for the width I will type 350, and for the height I will type 300. Also for the border I will type 2, and as you can see we have this cool looking grid here inside this part 01 composition. You can always be free and creative and play around with those grid effects. Okay, now I will animate this grid effect. set up our playhead to around 0 seconds, hit P for position, set up our first keyframe, then let's go to around 5 seconds or so, and for this X parameter, lower this down to around 300 or so, 350, like so. And now here inside our preview window we can see boundaries of our grid effect, so we can add another effect. To prevent this, let's type motion tile effect, drag and drop onto our grid effect, okay, and also just change this output width to maybe 200 or 300, and this is gonna be cool looking effect. And now when we hit 0, this is gonna be our grid effect. This looks really awesome. And let's change blending mode from normal to overlay. And basically, this is gonna be our cool looking effect. In every moment you can hit F3 and change everything here inside grid effect. Just be creative and play around with this cool effect. Alright guys, now it's time to create text behind our Earth globe. So let's first hit Ctrl+T or go hit on this little icon, okay. And I'm gonna type here random text. Just make sure to unselect here everything in part 01. And this is gonna be news, okay. I'm using this Malgun Gothic font, and for the font size this is maximum size, okay. Now select on our news text layer and align it to the center, like so. If you can't find align option, just go window, you will find align here. Now let's select this news once again, hit S for scaling, and I will scale it a bit more, 150, select this one again, align it like so. And as you can see, we have this news text here inside our part 01 composition. Move this text above the background solid layer, like so. And now let's go right click to create another solid layer here, and this is gonna be text matte, also full HD, hit OK. And also this text matte, move above this background solid layer. Now let's change track matte. I'm gonna select this new solid layer, find here news text, like so, and also check this option to invert the matte. And as you can see, we have now black background. Now go back here inside the effects and presets, find Triton effect, drag and drop onto our text matte, and here inside the shadows options you can change colors, and I will leave it pure black color, hit OK. And next thing that we're gonna do, hit T for the opacity, open up this little triangle, go here inside transform, and for the opacity I will lower this down to around 40%. And as you can see, we have this cool looking news text in behind of our planet Earth. Now I will animate this text, hit P for position, and set up the first keyframe here on 0 seconds. Now let's go to around 5 seconds and move it to the right side, for example -700, something like this. And now when we hit 0, our text will be moving behind our globe. Okay, now let's create another text layer here, but before that let's just lock this news text, so we cannot change this one for now. Hit Ctrl+T once again or go hit on this little icon, and I'm gonna type here again actual, okay. Let's also hit S for scaling, this is gonna be 105, and for this actual text also maximum font, this Malgun Gothic, okay. And I will also align this actual text, go here on the align panel, align it horizontally and vertically, like so. Okay guys, now let's also animate this actual text, hit P for position and move our playhead to around 0 seconds, set up the first keyframe, go to around 5 seconds or so, and let's go to the left side to maybe somewhere around here, like so. And now when we hit 0, this is gonna be opposite animation. Let's move it to the left side just a bit, to around -2200, something like this. And also this actual text, move just above this news text, hit T for the opacity, and for the opacity I'll go 30%, hit 0, and this is gonna be our cool looking background text for this news intro. Alright guys, now it's time to create main texts here inside part 01 composition. I will first lock this actual and news text here inside part 01 comp, okay. Now let's go and again hit Ctrl+T or go hit horizontal type tool, okay. And for this one I will do for the font size 250, it's the same font like before, and I will just type news like so, and I will align it to the center also, something like this. Hit P for position, and I'm gonna move this a bit down, and this looks cool to me. Now let's also animate, open up this little triangle and go on animate here, and you can also do this on the right side. Here inside After Effects 2026, this is a new feature. You can add animator here or also go old-fashioned way, animate, and I'll find here position, and also here inside animator 1 click on this add option, find here property, and let's also find here opacity. For the position I will type 250, and for the opacity lower this down to 0. Now let's go and set up our playhead to around 0 seconds, open up range selector 1 and set up the first keyframe for the offset. Let's go -100. Now I will go to around 2 seconds or so. Let's go to 100, and this is gonna be our base animation when we hit 0. Let's make this even better looking. Okay, open up this advanced option, change shape from square to ramp up, and for the ease high and ease low I will type 66, and this is gonna be our cool looking animation. Now select both of the keyframes, go right click keyframe assistant, or just hit F9 to easy ease them, open up graph editor, and here inside the graph editor go right click and select this option edit speed graph to see the graph like this one. Select the right handle and move all the way to the left side. And now let's hit 0 again, and this is gonna be cool looking news text animation. Also you can randomize order here, change from off to on if you like this kind of animation. Now what we can do is to duplicate this news text, hit Ctrl+D, and I will type here random text, modern, breaking news, okay, and for the font size I will do instead of 250, let's go 50, okay, select it, zoom it a bit, hit V on your keyboard and just reposition the text here inside the part of 1 composition, somewhere around here, okay. And now when we hit 0, this is gonna be our great looking animation, and you can be creative, reposition this layer just a bit, news, and then our second text if you like this kind of animation. And guys, as I have mentioned earlier, you can always be creative and come up with your own great ideas how you want your text to look here inside the part of 1 composition. Okay guys, now let's also create third text. I will turn on titles and action save, okay, hit Ctrl+T once again, and here I will type just random text on the bottom of our composition. This is gonna be just After Effects tutorial. Of course you will type your own text, and for the font size I'll do 20, and also instead of regular I will change this one to bold. And I will also go here inside align, select this option align horizontally, move it just a bit down. Let's turn off titles and action save for now. Hit 0 to see the preview, and this is gonna be our smaller text, and this looks really awesome and really creative here inside part of 1 composition. Alright guys, for the next step I will create here first adjustment layer, go right click to create new adjustment layer, and this is gonna be noise. Okay, now let's go back here inside the effects and presets, and I will find noise effect. Okay, just drag and drop on top of our adjustment layer, and basically here we can play around with the amount of noise, but for this tutorial purposes I will do 10%. And this looks good to me. Now I'm gonna pre-compose everything, but before that let's unlock actual and news text, hit Ctrl+A to select everything, or just select everything like so, go right click, pre-compose, and this is gonna be slide 01 new composition. Hit OK. Now I will duplicate this slide 01 comp, hit Ctrl+D or go edit and duplicate, OK, and select this first one, go back here inside the effects and presets, and I will type shift channels effect, drag and drop on top of our first composition, and basically let's create here chromatic aberration look. And for this second option, take green from, I will do full off, and also for the last one, full off. Okay, let's also change blending mode from normal to screen, like so. And also for the position, hit P, and I'm gonna go to the right side. And as you can see, we have created this more reddish look in behind our news text and also in our part of 1 scene. Let's hit 0, and this is gonna be our cool looking animation. You can also play around here with the opacity, hit T, maybe to lower down to around 70 or 60%, like so, and this is looking cool to me. Now let's pre-compose this again, select slide 01 both compositions, right click, pre-compose, and this is gonna be slide plus elements 01, hit OK, and now we have completely different composition here inside part 01. Okay guys, now let's go here inside the project window, open up the final composition that we have created earlier, and basically let's import this part of one composition. And as you can see, this is 5 seconds long. Okay, now I will duplicate this one, hit Ctrl+D. Okay, now I will go to around 2.5 seconds ahead. Now let's duplicate this part of one composition, hit Ctrl+D. This is gonna be part 02. Select this part of one and hold Alt, just drag and drop on top of this new composition. Go inside this part, let's also repeat everything, hit Ctrl+D, slide plus elements, okay, and this new composition, while you're holding Alt, just drag and drop on the slide plus elements 01. Open up the new compositions, select the slide 01, duplicate this slide 01 again here inside the project window and hold Alt. And as you can see guys, we have created completely new composition, and whatever we do, it won't be affecting this part 01 composition. Okay, let's go back here inside slide 02. You can, for example, select this Earth map, hit F3, and for the radius, you can make it smaller, whatever you want, move it to the left side or so, and when we hit 0, we have this type of animation, and when we go back here inside the final one, this is gonna be part 01, and here is gonna be this part 02 composition. And guys, this is the way, so you can easily create as many slides as you want, and you can also be creative to create other text, other animation as you like. I'll now open this slide 01 composition and just let's rename this news text again, and I will type random one live. You can also play around here with the position and everything else, or you can go align and align it to the center. Okay, and here inside the final one, this is gonna be part 01, and as you can see, this is gonna be part 02. Okay guys, be creative, and now you can animate this live text or this second one, and you can also make the new animation from the left to the right side or from the right side to the left side, reposition the globe, and also you can change background text. Everything is pretty much up to you. And I have shown you this cool looking technique, so you can create your cool looking breaking news. Alright guys, that was everything in today's tutorial, and as usual, if you have found something new in this one, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, also turn on the bell notification so you never miss any of my upcoming video tutorials. Also, you can take a look at my channel, you can find a bunch of different tutorials, and also you can drop me a comment down below in the comment section. And until next time, stay creative and bye bye!